nature. You are supposed to pay 20 cedis at the entrance to get in. Yeah, so we are inside now, very clean, in tune with nature. So there are actually two waterfalls here. They have the upper one. The upper falls are so the left and the lower fall on the right. And there's a sign that you keep the place always clean. Yeah, you realize the place is very clean. Yeah, so this is the path that leads to the upper waterfall. Come with us, let's take a tour around the place. So guys, don't you think nature is very beautiful? Look at the beautiful rocks, the green leaves, and the water sound. The water sound is very relaxing. Yeah, I can't wait to see the other waterfall. This is my second time here, but I've never visited the lower fall. The first time we came with a couple of friends. We got there very late, so it was dark, so we couldn't spend enough time. But today we made it a point to get here on time. Yeah, so here we just vibe and we just spending some time with Mother Nature. What's it? Be snap. Video. I fall for you flat to that's really yeah, Africa. Ghana, you're just our off group. Someone for the same story that be come on. On 1 year I didn't say I know your time for this yes.
Bakute chipana foli mumbeshe O baby ama mitrimu nyina ye mede Me sorry no pani phone na mehwe Impemwa grode o mami ahosepe Me tu mi fo fa wujimi ekote Enjwi mi ho se mi wukura mepe O don't think na chichere me ene Chere sa wa sembia kan chere mi ona mintie Efiatma na me don't know na muntie Tama mi shiano no boy kwase bio Titi girl yisa o don't you Na ene se onto me jani denti Jimiesa, yakasa chana onte. I fade yeah, I say when the shades too late, too late. Me logo ligi. Got butterflies in my tummy, I'm a logo ligi. Me logo ligi. Big butterflies in my belly, I'm a logo ligi. Edunti Brian Bonko more. I fall for you flat to girl my door. Yeah guys, we were having fun, but we had to wrap it up so we could have enough time to visit the other waterfall. So we go the lower waterfall. Yeah guys, like I told you earlier on, if you want to come on this trip, you need to come with your hiking boots. So with the lower waterfall, we are coming to walk again. This time they say we are going to descend about 90 steps before we get to the lower waterfall. And mind you, you're going to climb that same number of steps back when you return. So you see, you need to pick up your hiking boots when coming here. But it's a nice place, I'm sure you love it, yeah. Yeah guys, so finally we got to the lower waterfall, and mind you, we found out there was a shrine here. I think the water, the river god has its own shrine here. What do you hear? Maybe shrine? A shrine? Okay. So more rituals man see you know. No one say I'm there to be a festival. But let's take it up in the festival. I'm thinking, and because of friends in Agni, like in GD, like with the GD diet in the other friends, one I think
Yeah, guys, so if you didn't get what he was saying, we were in Abosomase. That's the name of the town, and it's on the Akuapem mountain. So they are the people of Akuapem. So he said during their festival, the traditional leaders come there to perform certain rituals for the water. The water is a water god. The name of the water is Adom. Yeah, I think Adom means grace or something. Yeah, so we noticed there were some smaller Ghana cedi notes and some few coins lying on the floor of the shrine. So he said people who believe in this God, they normally come there to say their prayers and they present these coins, and since their prayers are backed with faith, their prayers get answered.
Don't think I not to me and Chasa was same yaka, can't tell me on a minty. If yet man, I don't know Namuti, Tamamichano, no boy.
Well, guys, this place is a hidden gem. Yeah, it feels like some untapped part of nature. The water sounds, the air there feels fresh, and the weather, it's on the mountains, so the weather is a bit cozy. Look at the waterfall, very beautiful. Look at that, look at the greenery. Very peaceful. I had to zoom in to get a clear shot of Joey and Paper because where they were standing was quite far from where I was. Butterflies in my tummy, I'm a logoli. I'm a logoli. Big butterflies in my belly, I'm a logoli. Down. What's it? A photo do. Wow. A photo do. Me logoli. Got butterflies in my tummy, I'm a logoli. So guys, Charlie, after taking all these beautiful shots, this is how I almost lost my phone. Girl, your beauty catch my eye when I see you. Yeah, but I managed to get it out of the water on time with minimum casualties. Yeah, I had some broken screen. Yeah, so we journeyed back to the forecourt and it was so nice. We came to meet people there. I think they came in groups, family and friends. Yeah, so you guys can check out this place. You'll love it. They showed us videos. The owners of the place, they showed us videos of them having events there. So just in case you're a group of friends and you are thinking of somewhere to host an event, you can check the place out at Adom Waterfalls. You love the place. So that's the guy who owns and runs the place. Yeah, he's a macho guy. We spotted his muscles even in the jacket, so we asked him to give us some body flex, and yes, the guy was so nice. He showed us his muscles, so you guys can also have a look at it. See the arm. Yeah, Kwanu, we're fucking. So guys, we had mad fun, so we're still not done. We are journeying back to Accra. This is where some of you guys will need a bike. This is where some of you guys will need a bike. But like I told you, we are young and fit, so none of us needed that bike. So we had to journey back to the top. Journey to the west.
Chema, bro.
You stressed.
What's up, bro? Fucking hell.
Yeah, still grinding. Still grinding.
Marco Canme.
Dale.
Huh?
Wabre. Wabre.
Mato Abro. Mato Abre.
Huh?
Nipa be say. Abode for me. We back up. What I say? I bet you. Mommy.
Do remove her. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching, thanks for staying with us. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And now we're journeying back to Accra. This is us driving through the township. And on our next trip, if any of you guys want to tag along, be sure to drop it in the comment section and we'll hit you up when it's time, okay? All right, have a beautiful day. Bye. You leave me, girl, I die, yo. Girl, you dey hide me like such a you. When I hear your voice, then I dey mad, oh. Now you where I dey like, oh.